This video will show how to remove duplicate entries in Google Sheets. This document shows multiple rows and columns on multiple open sheets within one Google Sheets file. The goal is to find all duplicates within the document. All of the duplicates from each of the sheets were copied and pasted into one sheet only. Steps for removing duplicates. Select and highlight all of the rows from the left-hand side. In total, there were 856 entries. Select the following and complete these steps. 1. Data from the top drop-down menu. 2. Data cleanup. 3. Remove duplicates. 4. Check the box if the data has a header row. 5. Click the Remove Duplicates box. As the final step, if there are duplicates, they will be deleted. If there are no duplicates, a pop-up message will state, "No duplicate rows were found."